You are now locked into sincere pursuit. In the vast tapestry of human existence, there lies an intricate code, a blueprint that defines who we are and what we may become. This code, woven into the very fabric of our being, is the genetic key that unlocks the mysteries of life itself. The journey to understanding this gene key is not just a scientific endeavor, but a profound exploration into the core of human identity and potential. Imagine a world where the secrets of our genetic makeup are laid bare before us, where the double helix of DNA unravels its mysteries, revealing the essence of life. The gene key, a concept that merges the realms of genetics and consciousness, invites us to delve into the depths of our genetic code, seeking not only to understand but to transcend. The story begins at the dawn of the 21st century when the Human Genome Project, a monumental scientific endeavor, mapped the entire human genome. This project was akin to charting the stars in the night sky, each gene representing a constellation of potential. The completion of the Human Genome Project was a pivotal moment, providing a comprehensive reference for the genetic blueprint shared by all humans. It was a key that opened the door to a new era of genetic exploration. As we peer through this newly opened door, we encounter the concept of the gene key, a term that transcends mere genetic sequencing. It is an idea that suggests our genes are not static entities, but dynamic keys that can unlock different aspects of our potential. The gene key proposes that within our DNA lies not only the code for our physical attributes, but also the potential for our emotional, mental, and spiritual evolution. The journey into the gene key is akin to embarking on a quest through the labyrinth of our own being. It challenges us to consider the interplay between nature and nurture, to ponder how our genetic predispositions can be influenced by our environment, experiences, and choices. This interplay is illustrated by the field of epigenetics, which explores how gene expression is regulated by external factors, effectively turning genes on or off without altering the underlying DNA sequence. Consider the evidence presented by studies on identical twins, who share the same genetic makeup yet often exhibit differences in traits and behaviors. These studies reveal that while our genes provide the foundation, it is the epigenetic factors that sculpt the final outcome. This dynamic interaction between genes and environment underscores the potential of the gene key to unlock different pathways of development depending on the influences we encounter throughout our lives. Furthermore, the gene key concept is intrinsically linked to the idea of genetic potential, suggesting that our DNA holds the latent capacity for transformation and evolution. This notion is exemplified by research into genetic mutations, which, while often associated with disease, can also lead to beneficial adaptations. The story of the CCR5 Delta 32 mutation is a testament to this potential. This genetic variation provides resistance to HIV, illustrating how a single genetic change can have profound implications for survival and health. As we delve deeper into the gene key, we must also acknowledge the ethical considerations that accompany such knowledge. The power to unlock and manipulate our genetic code raises questions about the boundaries of human intervention. It compels us to consider the implications of gene editing technologies like CRISPR, which offer the promise of eradicating genetic diseases, but also the peril of unintended consequences and ethical dilemmas. The cinematic journey through the gene key would be incomplete without exploring its philosophical dimensions. It invites us to reflect on the nature of identity, free will, and destiny. Are we merely the sum of our genetic parts, or do we possess the agency to transcend our genetic predispositions? The gene key suggests that while our genes influence us, they do not define us entirely. We are co-creators of our destiny, capable of shaping our path through conscious choices and actions. In this exploration, we encounter the stories of individuals who have embraced the gene key as a tool for personal growth and transformation. These are the pioneers who have delved into their genetic blueprints, seeking to understand and harness their innate potential. Their journeys are testaments to the power of self-awareness and the capacity for change. One such story is that of a young woman who discovered her genetic predisposition to anxiety and depression. Armed with this knowledge, she embarked on a journey of self-discovery, employing mindfulness and lifestyle changes to mitigate the influence of her genetic tendencies. Her story illustrates the empowering potential of the gene key, offering a roadmap for those seeking to navigate the complexities of their genetic landscape. The narrative of the gene key is also interwoven with the broader context of human evolution. It challenges us to consider how our genetic makeup has been shaped by the forces of natural selection and adaptation. The Gene Key invites us to ponder the future of human evolution in an era where we possess the tools to direct our genetic destiny. As we stand on the precipice of this genetic frontier, the Gene Key serves as both a compass and a mirror. It guides us in exploring the vast potential within our DNA while reflecting the profound questions of identity and purpose. It is a reminder that the journey to understanding our genetic code is not just a scientific pursuit, but a deeply human one. In conclusion, the cinematic documentary on the Gene Key would be a tapestry of science, philosophy, and personal narrative. It would weave together the threads of genetic research, ethical considerations, and individual stories to create a compelling exploration of what it means to be human. The Gene Key, with its promise of unlocking our potential, challenges us to embrace the complexity of our genetic heritage and to envision a future where we are both the architects and the stewards of our genetic destiny. In this journey, we find not only the key to our genetic code, but also the key to understanding ourselves and our place in the grand tapestry of life. Thank you for checking in with Sincere Pursuit. See you soon.